COVID-19, caused by the novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, emerged as a global health crisis that has profoundly shaped the course of recent history. First identified in late 2019, the virus quickly spread across the world, leading to widespread illness, loss of life, and significant societal disruptions. The pandemic prompted unprecedented responses, including lockdowns, travel restrictions, and the rapid development of vaccines. The virus's highly contagious nature and the range of symptoms it can cause underscored the importance of public health measures, such as mask wearing, social distancing, and vaccination, in curbing its spread. Beyond its immediate health impact, COVID-19 also exposed and exacerbated existing social and economic inequalities. COVID-19's impact transcended health to touch every facet of human life. The pandemic triggered an unprecedented wave of remote work and online education, accelerating the digital transformation of industries and highlighting the importance of internet connectivity. It placed immense strain on healthcare systems, revealing both their resilience and vulnerabilities. Medical professionals and essential workers demonstrated unwavering dedication in the face of adversity, while scientists collaborated at an unparalleled pace to develop vaccines in record time. The pandemic prompted a re-evaluation of priorities, as individuals and communities rallied to support each other through acts of kindness and mutual aid. The experience also ignited conversations about mental health, isolation, and the need for resilient healthcare infrastructure. As we cautiously move forward, the lessons from COVID-19 remind us of the interconnectedness of our world and the significance of preparedness, scientific innovation, and global solidarity in confronting complex challenges.